This is Bicol University College of Social Science and Philosophy, the home of the Phoenix. Established on September 4, 2004, it offers different courses and programs that aims to strengthen the values and principles of the students. Among all the programs offered by BUCSSP, why psychology? Being a psychology student is like unlocking a world of endless possibilities and positive experiences. Imagine a place where every discussion is a chance for laughter, learning, and real connections. It's not just a theory, it's about applying knowledge in real life situations. In psychology, we're not just classmates, we're a support system. Every heart to heart talk builds stronger bonds. It's more than just a degree, it's a journey where helping each other isn't just encouraged, it's the norm. In the world of psychology, every moment is a dance of mental processing, a chance to discover, connect, and make a profound impact on the intricate working of the human mind. But of course, not everything is all rainbows and butterflies.
May mga oras na mahihirapan ka. There are so many readings, writings, and paperwork to do that sometimes you can never know when or where to start. People think that because psychology major kami, we don't have any problems and we don't need help. Dahil naintindihan namin yung emotions and how to manage them. But at the end of the day, I can recharge.